Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay. First, let's get your cards set up. Open the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap the plus sign to add a new credit or debit card. Follow the simple on-screen instructions, which usually involve scanning your card or entering details manually. Your bank or card issuer will then verify the card, a quick process ensuring security. Once verified, your card is ready for secure, contactless payments, making transactions incredibly convenient and safe. When you're ready to pay in a store, it's super easy. Just double-click the side button on your iPhone X. Your device will then prompt you to authenticate using Face ID, or you can enter your passcode if needed. Hold the top of your iPhone near the contactless reader at the checkout. You'll see a Done message and a checkmark on your screen, confirming your payment was successful. It's a fast and secure way to complete your purchases. Using Apple Pay for online shopping or within apps is just as straightforward. When you reach the checkout, simply look for the Apple Pay button. Tap it to select Apple Pay as your preferred payment method. Your iPhone will then ask you to confirm the purchase using Face ID or your passcode, adding an extra layer of security. Always take a moment to review your shipping address and payment details before finalizing your order. It's a seamless and secure checkout experience. Managing your cards in Apple Pay is simple and intuitive. Open the Wallet app to see all your added cards. Tapping on any card will display its recent transaction history, helping you keep track of your spending. If you need to remove a card, just scroll down and tap Remove Card. You can also easily set a default card for quick payments, ensuring your preferred method is always ready. It gives you full control over your digital wallet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.